I'm off this. Look at this, look at this. This shit's crazy. Look, pile of fucking snow. Pile of fucking snow.
Yeah, you should record me just like.
Okay, they say by the gas station, damn, we gotta walk all over there where the blue sign is at.
You should record me, yo me tiro ahí así.
Okay, go right ahead. Hold on, hold on, hold on. This shit's gonna be epic. This shit's gonna be epic. Go. This nigga. Go, go. Oh shit. These niggas dead, just there, just dead. Look at this nigga, he just stayed there. Oh shit, I think his head went inside. This nigga's head went inside. Oh shit. Okay, my nigga, that's it. Come on, let's go. Come on.